Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring a mix of rare and timeless machines. Number 1. 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750, $4,875, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750 stands as one of the most recognizable British motorcycles of its era, known for its parallel twin performance and timeless styling that continues to attract enthusiasts worldwide. Finished in a vibrant orange, this example shows 43,330 miles and presents as a well-kept rider that has been maintained with care. The seller notes that the bike runs well and everything functions as it should, making it a strong candidate for those seeking a dependable vintage experience rather than a full restoration project. Recent updates, including new tires and tubes, add to its usability, while the transferable Pennsylvania antique license offers added convenience for collectors. With a clean title in the seller's name and the option for trade consideration, this Bonneville represents a balanced opportunity to own a classic British twin that delivers both riding enjoyment and long-term collectible appeal. Number 2. 1970 Honda CB160 Supersport, $3,600, Marietta, Georgia. The 1970 Honda CB160 Supersport is a lightweight classic that reflects Honda's early reputation for reliability, efficiency, and approachable performance. This particular example is especially noteworthy, showing just 3,962 original miles and remaining within the same family since new. Its orange finish highlights the period-correct styling, while decades of careful ownership and indoor storage in a heated garage have helped preserve its condition. Mechanically, the bike is reported to run and ride better than it has in over 25 years of ownership, which speaks to both its recent maintenance and inherent durability. Accompanied by a remarkable collection of original documentation and factory items, this CB160 offers strong appeal for collectors seeking authenticity, as well as riders looking for a smooth and manageable entry into vintage motorcycling. Number 3. 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH, $11,750, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. This 1975 Harley-Davidson FLH, styled to resemble a 1972 model, represents a fully sorted example of a classic American touring machine with extensive restoration work completed over a 3-year period. Finished in black and professionally serviced by a reputable Harley shop, the bike has undergone significant mechanical and cosmetic upgrades, making it ready for immediate use without the typical concerns associated with vintage restorations. Notable improvements include electronic ignition, rebuilt front suspension, a brand new OEM wiring harness, and numerous new components such as paint, shocks, brake lines, tires, and exhaust. Performance enhancements like SNS heads and a Super G Shorty carburetor add to its strong running characteristics, while rare vintage details provide additional character. With everything functioning properly and a clean Pennsylvania title, this FLH offers a refined blend of authenticity, performance, and long-distance touring capability. Number 4. 1973 Triumph Daytona 500 Bobber, $5,500, Moncks Corner, South Carolina. This 1973 Triumph Daytona 500 has been transformed into a fully custom bobber, combining classic British engineering with a distinctly minimalist and handcrafted aesthetic. Built with significant investment in both parts and labor, the bike features a wide range of new components that enhance both its appearance and functionality. Its blacked-out finish and stripped-down design give it a bold presence, setting it apart from stock examples. Upgrades include electronic ignition, a Podtronics rectifier, updated wiring with negative ground conversion, a hardtail frame modification, and a Springer front end, along with new tank, fender, tires, exhaust, carburetor, and seat setup. A top-end rebuild further supports its mechanical reliability. With a clean title and extensive customization already completed, this Daytona offers a unique opportunity for riders seeking a one-of-a-kind vintage machine with strong visual identity. Number 5. 1976 Kawasaki KZ400S, $2,800, Washington, Pennsylvania. The 1976 Kawasaki KZ400S is a practical and dependable vintage motorcycle that showcases the straightforward engineering and everyday usability that defined many mid-1970s Japanese bikes. With 11,436 miles and a clean black finish, this example presents as a well-maintained rider that has received recent servicing to keep it in strong operating condition. The seller notes that it runs and rides great, with all lights and the horn functioning properly. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, new battery, spark plugs, plug boots, and new tires, along with valve and cam chain adjustments, important details that contribute to a smooth and reliable ride. Affordable and easy to manage, the KZ400S makes an excellent choice for newer riders, daily use, or as an entry-level classic, while still offering enough vintage charm to appeal to seasoned enthusiasts. Number 6. 1960 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster, $5,920, Port Huron, Michigan. This 1960 Harley-Davidson XLH Sportster represents an early version of one of the brand's most iconic models, being just the 4th year of production. Finished in fresh hi-fi blue, it captures the raw simplicity and classic styling that define early Sportsters. With 28,500 miles, this example presents as a solid vintage rider with authentic character. Early XLH models continue to gain attention among collectors due to their historical importance and limited production compared to later years. Offered at a negotiable price, this bike provides a great opportunity to own a foundational Harley-Davidson model that can be enjoyed on the road or preserved as part of a collection. Number 7. 1971 BMW R60 with sidecar, $11,000, Hackensack, New Jersey. The 1971 BMW R60 with sidecar delivers a unique vintage riding experience, combining the smooth boxer engine with the practicality of a sidecar setup. With just 19,762 miles and a classic black finish, it also features the desirable toaster tank in very good condition, adding to its period-correct appeal. Sidecar motorcycles offer a different style of riding, ideal for relaxed cruising or special outings. This R60 stands out for both its visual presence and usability, making it a compelling option for collectors or riders looking for something distinctive and enjoyable. Number 8. 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750, $8,800, Putnam Valley, New York. This 1981 Yamaha Virago XV750 has been professionally built into a custom cafe racer, showcasing clean design and quality craftsmanship. Powered by a 750cc V-twin with shaft drive, it offers both performance and reliability, while the black and gold tank and upgraded front forks give it a refined, modern look. Additional features such as custom suspension, aftermarket wheels, and a brown leather solo seat contribute to its aggressive stance. With modern brakes and a clean wiring layout, the bike is reported to start, run, and ride well, making it a strong turnkey custom option. Number 9. 1969 BSA Spitfire Mark IV, $4,500, Newburgh, New York. The 1969 BSA Spitfire Mark IV is a classic British 650cc performance twin known for its strong character and period styling. This example is numbers matching and mostly stock, with 11,600 miles and a red finish that reflects its original look. It presents as a solid foundation for enthusiasts who appreciate originality. The bike runs well, though the carburetors will need an overhaul, which is typical for motorcycles of this era. With its matching numbers and honest condition, this Spitfire offers a balanced opportunity for light restoration or continued riding with gradual improvements. Number 10. 1975 Moto Guzzi V850 Eldorado, $9,990, Vienna, Virginia. This 1975 Moto Guzzi V850 Eldorado is a well-restored Italian classic known for its transverse V-twin engine and reliable shaft drive. Finished in red, it delivers strong torque and smooth highway performance, along with the distinctive feel that defines Moto Guzzi motorcycles from this era. A notable feature is the inclusion of two tanks, offering added versatility in style and use. Fully restored and ready to ride, this Eldorado presents a strong option for collectors or riders seeking a unique and dependable vintage touring machine. Number 11. 1980 Vespa P200E with sidecar, $6,300, Greenville, South Carolina. This 1980 Vespa P200E offers a unique twist on a classic Italian scooter, featuring a fiberglass sidecar that adds both visual appeal and practical versatility. Finished in burgundy, it maintains the timeless Vespa design while standing out as a more uncommon setup. The scooter has been thoroughly gone through, with the seller noting that it needs nothing, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. Additional features such as saddlebags and a windshield enhance its usability for longer rides or daily cruising. With service records included and a well-sorted condition, this P200E presents a rare opportunity for those looking to own a distinctive vintage scooter with added functionality and character. Number 12. 1965 Honda CB160, $3,200, Bay Village, Ohio. This 1965 Honda CB160 is a true barn-find survivor that captures the authentic look and feel of mid-1960s Japanese motorcycling. Showing just 6,295 miles, it remains largely original, with factory components including the tank, seat, fenders, and exhaust still in place. Finished in silver with honest patina, it reflects careful preservation rather than restoration. Mechanically, the 160cc twin-cylinder engine runs smoothly, starting easily and idling well, with recent updates including new tires, plugs, and battery. All lights, gauges, and controls are functional, adding to its usability. With a clean title and strong originality, this CB160 offers an excellent balance of collectability and everyday vintage riding enjoyment. Number 13. 1974 Suzuki 125 Trail, $3,750, Sherman, Connecticut. The 1974 Suzuki 125 Trail is a lightweight two-stroke classic designed for both on-road and off-road use, offering a simple and enjoyable riding experience. This example is presented in excellent condition with a fully rebuilt engine completed around 3 years ago, including replacement of all seals. It starts easily and runs strong, making it a dependable vintage trail bike. Models like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find in well-maintained condition, adding to their appeal among collectors and enthusiasts. Whether used for casual rides, light trail exploration, or as part of a vintage collection, this Suzuki offers a fun and practical entry into classic two-stroke ownership. Number 14. 1965 Vespa Piaggio, $3,500, Alexandria, Virginia. This 1965 Vespa Piaggio represents a classic example of Italian scooter design, known for its simple mechanics and timeless styling. Finished in black, it retains its original character and comes with a clean title along with a valid Virginia antique registration, making it a straightforward option for collectors or casual riders. With just 88 kilometers shown on the odometer, it presents as a lightly used vintage piece, though typical verification may be considered due to its age. Its compact size and ease of use make it ideal for city riding or display, offering a charming and accessible entry into classic European scooters. Number 15. 1979 Yamaha XS1100, $1,500, Roosevelt, New Jersey. The 1979 Yamaha XS1100 is a powerful vintage motorcycle known for its large inline four-cylinder engine and smooth shaft drive system. This example features custom paint, cafe-style handlebars, and a custom seat, while also including the original seat for those who prefer a more stock appearance. With 24,143 miles, it presents as a solid foundation for a rider or project. While the bike was last started successfully last summer, it has been stored since and may require some work before returning to the road. Garage-kept and offered at an affordable price, this XS1100 provides a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a classic high-displacement Yamaha with room for light restoration or customization. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic motorcycle listings across the United States with fresh updates every day.